Now, this is Nhloso's face after uMadlomo told him that she wants divorce. Guys, cheating is wrong. Stop it. I'm fully fan of Nhloso. So let us talk about Nhloso, uMadlomo, and Udinhle here on this video. But before going to it, I'm gonna have to request you guys to like it. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by throwing down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. You know, I thought that uMadlomo was imbokodo. I thought that she was going to fight for her marriage, but to my surprise, she took Katele and she wants nothing to do with Dinhle and Nhloso's drama. So since Katele overall decided to go, okay, this is where it ends. I'm divorcing this guy. So on the recent episode of ETV Scandal, she told Nhloso that she wants a divorce. And for people who don't know, this comes after uMadlomo caught Nhloso and Udinhle having sex. No, they were not really having sex, but you could tell that this was after they've done the deed, because Nhloso was calling Udinhle into a shower, telling her that she must come into a shower. And then Udinhle, being Dinhle, saw an opportunity, so she used it and made sure that uMadlomo had everything that they were talking about. And this is ammunition for uMadlomo because she's been suspicious of Nhloso and Dinhle all along. Ever since Udinhle came to eTheMbeni, uMadlomo was being suspicious that Udinhle came back for Nhloso, but Nhloso was refusing all of that. Even after him and Dinhle got back together, Nhloso was still denying that she was talking to Dinhle or anything of that sort. So after uMadlomo caught them red-handed, well, yeah, it was red-handed because she knows that they were having sex, she knows that they were together, and she knows that they took a shower together or they took a bath together, whatever. So now she has proof that they are really back together and that Nhloso was cheating. And what makes things worse is the fact that Nhloso cheated with Dinhle before. uMadlomo forgave that. And Dinhle was not the first person that Nhloso cheated with. Nhloso once cheated with Busisiwe. You guys remember Busisiwe, the girl who burned down the, what do you call that building? The NFH building? Yeah, that girl. So Nhloso was cheating with that girl. Now, I'm really curious on seeing, is uMadlomo really going to divorce Nhloso, or this is just her way of saying that if you don't stop sleeping with Dinhle, then I'm going to dump you? I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to keep on watching the show to find out. So ladies and gentlemen, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed this content, please do like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.